This video shows you how you can register for and join an English workshop from the VCC Learning Centre. You can register for a workshop in the same way you would create an appointment for a one-on-one tutoring session. Go to the Learning Centre website and click on the tile that says Make an Appointment. Alternatively, you can go directly to vcc.mywconline.com. If you noticed our workshop on the workshop calendar, there should be a link to our schedule there as well. Once you are on the schedule page, log in with your VCC student number and the same password that you use for MyVCC. If it's your first time, you will need to fill out a brief registration form. There is a video linked in the description of this video that can show you how to register. Select the English schedule. Click Log In. Once you are in the English schedule, you can see a list of the tutors in rows. If there is a workshop scheduled, you can see a row named Workshop, and you can hover over the workshop name with your mouse to see which level the workshop is for and how many students in total can join. The white blank space in this row shows you when the workshop starts. This grammar workshop starts at 3:45 p.m. Click the white space and a Create New Appointment box will pop up with the workshop details. You can see here that the workshop is located online. Please note that if the workshop is face-to-face, check the campus location and make sure you're able to attend. Make sure you register for the workshop in advance so that you can join when the workshop starts. Go to the bottom and click Create Appointment. You should see the appointment was saved successfully. You've registered for the workshop. You can close the window. You should now see that the workshop space on the schedule has turned yellow. If the space was colored blue and not clickable, then that means that the workshop is full. If the workshop is full, you can join the waiting list to be notified if somebody else gives up their spot. There is another video linked in the description of this video that can show you how to do that. Since the appointment is online, when it is time for the workshop to start, log in to the WC Online schedule. Click on your yellow space. There will be a Zoom link in the workshop description. Click on that link and you will be directed to the Zoom room. Enjoy the workshop.